Welcome to free VLSI courses and EDA training. Stop overpaying. I will guide you throughout the journey of the learning VLSI skills. There are lots of resources available free of cost. Most of the institute charging more than 50k for these courses. I will tell you free resource which is free from government side and openly available for all. Visit on chip to startup C2S official site, which I am showing you in my slide. As you can see, they have mentioned EDA and product both are giving training to the students from IITs and top institutes. We can also take the advantage of training from top industry peers like Synopsys, Cadence, Ansys, IBM and many more. Go to under resource and follow the path shown in the slide. There are two options: completed and upcoming. Under completed section you will see all the recordings you can watch. As you can see, recording available which is more than sufficient for the fresher as well as experience. Chipin team is the main body to arrange such a session with SCL and other EDA and product company. They have covered all the topic from front-end, RTL design and verification, to back-end, physical design and physical verification, sign-off. You can also attend the live interactive session from upcoming training option shown in previous slide. For live session schedule you will get from the same site under upcoming section. You will not get such a content anywhere else. So utilize properly. You will also get tool exposure. Feel free to discuss any specific topic. I am available to guide you. Just make sure to connect with me on LinkedIn, link attached below. I will keep adding such content. Make sure to subscribe the channel.